I can hear her heartbeat from 1,000 miles. Yeah, the heavens open every time she smiles. And when I come to her, that's where I belong. Yet I run into her like a river song.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Our Lady of Mount Carmel for this wonderful day as Jordan and Victoria give themselves to each other in holy matrimony. We're delighted that all of you are here for this wonderful celebration. As today, in the presence of God our Father, you establish between yourselves a lifelong partnership.
She gave me love, 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 crazy love. She gave me love, 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 crazy love. She got a fine sense of humor when I'm feeling low down. Yeah, when I come to her when the sun goes down. Take away my trouble, take away my grief, take away my heartache in a night like a thief. She gave me love, 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 crazy love. She gave me love, 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 crazy love. Yeah, I need her in the daytime. Yeah, I need her in the night. I need her. Yeah, I wanna throw my arms around her. I need her. And kiss and hug her tight. Yeah, when I'm returning from so far away, she gave me some sweet loving, brighten up my day. Yeah, and it make me righteous, and it make me whole.
Jordan, do you take Victoria to be your wife? Do you promise to be faithful to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love her and to honor her all the days of your life?
I do.
My joy and honor to introduce Mr. and Mrs. Brodbeck. You may now kiss.